Hi, good morning to one and all. I hope all of you fine. Today's our subject Maths. We already continued our first chapter. What is our first chapter name? Numbers and numeration. Now I am right here two numbers here. You can identify what is the difference of that numbers or how we can compare that number. Listen here, I am right here. First I am right number 8. Number 8. The second number 25. If you can understand anything here, any comparison you can do it. Yes, here only one digit. Here only one digit, but here two digits. Here two digits. That is different. Then which is the greater than one? The big number or more number which is here. This or this one, 8 or 25? 25. We can add this like symbol or sign greater than. Do you know that? Or you study in your UKG and first standard also you study this like greater than, less than and equal to. First I show that what is greater than and what is less than and what is equal. Now listen here, I am right here. Greater than, less than, equal. Greater than, less than, equal. Then what is the symbol of these three? We can listen. Greater than always in opening mouth. Suppose you think there is a crocodile. There is a crocodile. Crocodile is always eating big numbers. So he open his face always in big numbers. He only eating big numbers. So he opens always in big numbers. That is greater than. Then less than is equal to or symbol is this line. Always in less point is there. Point here. One point is there. Two side is here. One point is there. That is towards in less number or smaller number. That is less than. And equal is always in same numbers. 2 here, 2 here. That is equal. This is we can. 2 line is there. 2 line is that is equal. Greater than, less than and equal. I already said that how we can find out the greater than symbol. You suppose a crocodile is there, then he always eating a big numbers, so he always face or he always open his mouth in big numbers. Then less than means the point of that symbol is connecting or towards in less number or small numbers. Then equal is always in two sides same. Some is here 2, then here also 2, then crocodile is there. Okay, who can eat there? No, the same side is equal. But greater than, you always listen that, always remember that greater than means the symbol is that the crocodile always open his mouth that big numbers or more numbers or great numbers. Then less than means that the point of that symbol is that less than. The equal is always two sides same. Listen. Are you understand? Okay, I again explain greater than, this like of symbol, less than and equal. Now we can easily identify which is the greater numbers, because how we can easily find out this one? Here 2 digit number, here only 1 digit. This like we can easily find out which is the greater number or which is the less number, but it is not possible in all ways. Then next number I listen. I am write another numbers. I am write here two numbers within 2 digits. Here also 2 digits and here also 2 digits. The tens place is equal. Each 10 place is equal. 2 tens here means 20. 2 tens here is means 20. Then how we can find out the greater number or less number or it is equally. How we can find out? We can check in ones place. We can check in ones place. Which is greater here? 8 or 6? 8 or 6? Yes, 8. 8 is the greater number. So we can know this one. 28 is greater number. So we want to open the crocodile's mouth, the bigger number 28. Always facing and opening the mouth of crocodiles, or the symbol is always the bigger number. The point of the symbol is towards 26. Towards 26, that is less number. Are you understand? Okay, again I give another example. You can identify, you can know easily how we can do this one. Compare the number greater than, less than and equal. Listen. How we can find out? The each one's place is equal. 5 is there. Here also 5 and here also 5. Then we can check it tens place. Here 6, here 7. Which is the greater one? 6 or 7 is greater. You know that? 6 or 7 is greater? Yes, 7. Then which sign we want to add here? This or this or this. Which one to choose here? I already said that you think or you suppose one crocodile is here. The crocodiles always open his mouth in bigger numbers. Only bigger numbers he open his face or open his mouth. We can open his mouth in big number. Open his mouth in big number. Here which is the big number? 75. 75 is the bigger number here, or pointing here. This point is signing here or symbol is here less than. This point is symbolized less than. The opening mouth is symbolized greater numbers. Okay. Next I again give one example. Listen. 82. 82. Here I am write two numbers 82, 82. This you can identify anything is here. 2 digits is there. These two numbers are 2 digits. Ones place 2 and 2 here. Tens place 8 and 8. Then what you can understand here? These two number is same or equal. These two number is equal. So we can symbolize here this sign equal to 82 equal to 82. 82 equal to 82. Then another one. $12 or 12. Here also ones place 2 is equal to 2. Then 1 also in same number. So this also equal. We can add the equal to. We can check it. More examples. Listen here. I am write here two numbers again. First we can compare 2 digit numbers. Then we can 3 digit numbers compare here. First you listen. I am write here again 2 digits. The first step is what? First we can check in the tens place. Both have here 2 digit numbers. Both have tens and ones. So we want to compare the first one, tens place. It's easy for that. Which is the tens here great, or which is the number here bigger here? Which is the 3 or 7? 3 or 7, which is the great number? 7. So we want to open the mouth. This number 74. We want to open this mouth. You already here comparison of the numbers, always one crocodile is there. The crocodile always open his face or open his mouth always in bigger numbers. Always in bigger numbers. He want to eat the bigger number. So he's open his mouth in bigger number. Here which is your bigger number or great number? 74. So the crocodile open his mouth the 74. Here already say that greater than, this like, less than, the point is towards here, less than, point towards here, the sign is pointing this like, then equal to is 2 line is there, that is represent equal to, greater than, less than, equal to. Okay, write here another number 8, 81. Here you can easily identify which is the greater number because here only 1 digit and here 2 digits. So we can symbolize this like greater than. This is the symbol of greater than. We can draw and we can open his mouth the great number. Next one number 92, 29. 92, 29. Which is the greater number? How we can understand? You can check it tens place. Which is the tens is great, which is the tens is big, or which is the tens is more. Which is that 9 or 2? Which is the number is big number? Yes, 9. Which is the number is big here? 9. 9 tens here. 9 tens means 90. 2 tens means 20. 20 or 90 is big? 90. Okay. Then what we do? Open his mouth to 92. 92 is the bigger number. So we can open the mouth 92. Okay. Next one. 27. 72, 27. 72, 27. Which is a great number? Yes, we can listen. Tens place 2 or 7. 7 or 2. Which is the great here? 7. So we can draw. Open his mouth. 72, bigger number. Next one. Here another number, right? 65, 67. The tens place is both have tens place is equal. Both tens place is equal. Here also 6, here also 6. Then what we want to do? Next number we can check. Here ones, 5 ones, or here 7 ones. Which is the great ones here? Which is the more ones here? Yes, 7. Here 7. 5 is less than here and 7 is greater than. 7 is greater than. So we can draw here greater than to 67. Greater than to 67. Okay. Open his mouth to bigger number. You think this is a crocodile and he want to eat big numbers. So he always open his mouth to big numbers. This is greater than 67. Okay. Next another number we can write here. 44, 44. The same terms is equal here. The same ones are equal here. That you can know. This means the same number is same or equal. So we can add there or we can symbolize here equal to. I hope all of you understand this one. I give more homework to you. That's why you can understand how we can do it. Less than, greater than and equal to. You always remember, always opening his mouth to greater than. Then pointing this number is towards the less than, and equal means the same side is equal numbers, that is equal to. Now let's start with 3-digit numbers of comparison. How we can compare 3-digit numbers in greater than, less than and equal to. Listen, I am right here. First I am write number 300 and another number 305. The first number 300, the another number 305. How we can check it? This is how we can compare this one greater than or less than or equal. First we can 3 digits, we can first listen 100 place. 100 place is big or less. Here the two numbers, 3 digits is here. Two numbers are equal. Here 3. Here 3. 200 is here. Here also 300 and here also 300. So we want to check it tens place. What is the place of tens? Here 0 and here also 0. So that also equal. The next one we want to check it ones place. Here 0 and here 5. 0 or 5 is greater number. 0 or 5? Yes, 5. Here 5 ones, that means this is the greater than. This is the greater than 300. So we can open the mouth. Greater than number 305. 300 or 305 is greater than here 305. Next number 269, 629. How we can find out? We can check it 100 place, which is two numbers. We can check it 100 place. Here 2 and here 6. Which is the greater number? 200 or 600? Yes, 600. So we can open the mouth to 600. 629. Another number, listen. 205. Next number 250. The two side is 3 digit numbers. 2 place of 100 is equal. Here also 2. Here also 2. So we want to check it next place, tens place. Here tens place 0. Then here 5. So which is the great number here? Which is the greater than here? 0 or 5? Yes, 5 is greater here. So we can understand 250 is the greater than 205. 250 is greater than 205. So we can open the mouth. 250. 250. We can check it another number. 650. Here I am write number 56. Here 2 digit number and here 650. How we can understand which is the greater number here? It is very easy for that, because here only 2 digit number, here also 3 digit number. So 2 digit or 3 digit is greater than? Yes, 3 digits. So we can draw this symbol 650. 650 is greater here. 56 only 2 digit number, so it is less than 650. Next number we can listen. I am write here 3 digit number, 2 side write 3 digit number. Here 100 place 5, here also 5, here tens place 0, here tens place 0, then ones also 0. That means yes, it is equal. It is equal. These two numbers are same, so that is why we can put in symbol equal. Greater than, less than, equal. Which is the sign already we studied in 2 digits. This also you can, I hope you can understand. We can check in another example. 792, 592, 592. 792, 592. How we can clear this one? How we can compare this one? Yes, first check it 100 place. Here 7, here 5, here 7 and here 5. Which is greater here? You know that. Yes, correct. 7 is greater here. 700 is there. So we can note down, open his mouth. 792, which is, this is the greater number. Next one 601 and 610. 610. This like how we can identify First check it. 100 place 6 is equal here. Then tens place, next number we can check it. Tens, here 0, here 1. So which is greater number? Yes, 1 is here greater. So we can identify that, we can understand that 610 is greater than 601. 610 is greater than 601. You can understand this one. Next, I hope all of you understand these 2 digit and 3 digits comparison of the numbers. First we study how we can find out greater than and less than and equal to. Then I give some more homework to you. You can do in your maths notebook. I already said that how to do this. 2 side you can draw in margin and write neatly, writing down by down. Then after that you can send me personally. Okay, wind up our class. Have a nice day. Thank you.